Choosing the right flooring adhesive is crucial because it totally affects how long your floor lasts and how good it looks. So, first off, you gotta think about the type of flooring you're putting down, because different floors need different adhesives. Like, what works for hardwood probably won't cut it for vinyl. Next, check out your subfloor material. If it's concrete, plywood, or something else, that changes what kind of glue you should use. Moisture levels are a big deal too, especially in places like basements or bathrooms where dampness can mess with your adhesive and cause problems later. You also want to pay attention to cure time requirements, because some adhesives set fast and others take longer, which can impact your schedule and how soon you can walk on the floor. Don't forget to read the product instructions carefully to make sure the adhesive matches your project conditions. If you're working with sensitive flooring materials, go for low odor or non-toxic adhesives to keep things safe and comfy. Temperature and humidity during installation also matter, so try to keep those steady to avoid adhesive failure. Lastly, grab an adhesive that's compatible with the flooring manufacturer's recommendations to keep your warranty intact and avoid headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make when choosing flooring adhesives is ignoring moisture levels, which can lead to peeling or mold growth. Fix this by testing for moisture before you start and picking a moisture-resistant adhesive. Another common problem is using the wrong adhesive for the flooring type, causing poor bonding or damage. Always double-check product specs and match adhesives to the floor material. The third issue is rushing the cure time or not letting it dry properly, which can cause the floor to shift or bubble. So be patient and follow the cure time guidelines exactly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and are ready to help with any home improvement project. It also makes life easier for contractors by connecting them with people who need their skills, so everyone wins.